How to prepare research paper on MS Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So here I am showing you using Google Docs. The process will be same. You can either do it yourself with on your own format, or you can also use a template. Go to template gallery and then scroll down, and you should find your research paper template over here. After you find your research paper template and find the one that you want the best and suitable for you, select the research paper and then you can simply edit it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.